And ice cream.
Bubba, you have to eat your hot dog if you want ice cream.
And I
Careful. Do you want ice cream?
Yeah. And ice cream.
You have to stop crying if you want ice cream.
Ice cream.
Are you done crying?
Yeah. Ice cream.
What do you say when you want something?
Please.
Are you sleepy?
Yeah. Ice cream.
Are you really sleepy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we have some ice cream and then go to bed?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Okay.
Ice cream.
Okay. Ice cream and then sleepy time.
Not sleepy time. Ice cream.
Say I love you, Mama.
I love you, Mama. I love you, Mama.
Do you remember where Mama is?
Sure.
Detroit?
This side.
That's right. How'd she get there?
With the car.
That's right. What car?
Mercedes car.
No, she's not that lucky. Ford Taurus.
Taurus.
That's right.
And ice cream.
That's right. I'm sorry for getting off the topic. We'll have some ice cream. Yes. Yes, you can have ice cream.
Please?
Yes. Say thank you, Dada.
Take it, Dada.
Say bye-bye, Mama.
Bye-bye, Mama.